Hey guys, what's up? What up? Okay, so today I decided to do the intro like a vlog. Yeah, how are you guys doing? And this is me in the house, no makeup girl, and I'm slaying without makeup. Okay, guys. So how are you guys doing? And how is your day? Okay, so in today's video, I'm actually gonna be showing you guys um an amazing skin tag remedy. I decided to do this as a vlog, yeah. So an amazing skin tag remedy, which is actually going to be very effective. And the skin tag remedy is actually very, you know, it's actually very strong enough to remove any skin tag whatsoever in 3 to 5 days. Okay, this particular skin tag remedy, you do not need to apply it under your eye, yeah. You have to apply it on your face, or on your face this way, or on your body, okay. But don't put it under the eye because it's actually very, effective enough. Okay, so I'm actually going to be showing you guys. I've actually made a video on a very mild skin tag remedy where you can use under your eye. Okay, so without further ado, let me take you right into this video. And don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Okay guys, so the second treatment, you're gonna be needing Colgate. Okay, so this is actually very important when you talk about skin tag and pimples. Okay, it is very helpful. So what you do is to take a good amount of your Colgate, yeah. Now you have to use Colgate for this, yeah, because of the ingredients in it. It's actually very helpful. Okay, so the next ingredient which we're gonna be putting in here is garlic. Now this is actually very important when you talk about skin tag. Garlic helps to kill skin tag like crazy. Now this two combination is going to be superb, guys. Okay, so you have to watch to the end so you can get all of the full details of this. Okay, so after which you peel it, then you have to blend, cut, or press this, or you can actually pound it, yeah, because you need it to be very tiny, and you need all of the juice of this garlic so that this ingredient could work really well. Okay, so after which I've cut, I have a small mortar. I'm going to be transferring it in, okay, so that now when you do it this way, it's going to be working really well. So I'm going to pound it. Now after pounding, so you mix this together. Yeah. Okay guys, so for this particular one, it is going to be too hot to apply under the eye area, so do not apply it under your eye area. If you're having skin tag under your eye, don't use this particular one, or you can actually use the first one. Yeah. Okay, so this is how you're going to do. If you have tiny skin tag here and there, now you can take this and then you rub it over those skin tag. Trust me, for this particular ingredient, in 3 days, just 3 days guys, now you have to apply it for 3 good days and leave it on for a long period of time. Okay, if you have small skin tag, my dear, those skin tag is not going to survive this treatment. Yeah. So for the big ones, you get a cotton wool and then you get a plaster, and then you take this with the cotton wool, apply it onto the skin tag area, and then you get your plaster and put it over it. Yeah. Now for this particular ingredient, is going to be hot. It's going to be feeling really hot. Yeah, but that is how it works. Okay, so you grab the next one. In case you're having more than 1, 2 or 3 skin tag, you just apply it just like that and put this over it. So by doing this, you have to keep it on your skin for at least 24 hours each day you apply this, for you to get that utmost result and for you to get rid of the skin tag in just 3 days. For this particular one, is for tiny skin tag. Do this for 3 good days and all of your skin tag will fall off for good, and this is actually very effective. Yeah. So that's it guys, I hope you do love this video, and I decided to do this as a vlog today, like walking around and all of that, catching fun. Okay, so I hope you do love it, and I know it is very effective, superb, strong, and it's going to help you to remove all of your skin tag. Try it and be consistent and give it a little time. 3 to 5 days, your skin tag is gone. Yeah, and you are gonna be very happy. Okay, so I will see you again. Bye.